Please prepare some kind of mat that you can lean the head on it comfortably, on the floor. Here, I use a low repulsion cushion, which is rather hard one, and another soft cushion on top of it. Stand on the knees. Place the head on the mat with hands and elbows on the floor. The forearms are on the floor so that the head does not take too much pressure. If you have severe neck problem, as I do, this lesson should be done with utmost care. Move the hands here and there on the floor until you find the most comfortable position. Remember, you may adjust the position of hands after each or during movement. In this position, roll the head forward and backward many times. Pay attention to what the pelvis needs to do. Yes, that is right. The pelvis needs to lift and go forward. How about elbows? The elbows need to lift from the floor. That means as the head rolls forward, the pelvis and the elbows lift away from the floor. Leave it alone and rest on the heels. Come back to the same position. The head and the hands are on the floor. Roll the head forward and stay there. Do not go far so forward that makes you feel uncomfortable. Stay within the comfortable range. In this position, try to take the elbows closer to the floor many times. The position of the head or the pelvis do not change. Only the elbows come close to the floor. Pay attention to shoulder blades. The shoulder blades go forward to the floor. They also open wide to the sides. Leave it alone and rest on the heels. Come back to the same position. The head and the hands are on the floor. Roll the head forward and stay there. In this position, open and close the mouth many times. Pay attention to how the neck moves. Notice the neck extends and becomes longer as the mouth is opened. Pay attention to the jaw, the lower jaw. The lower jaw needs to go forward to open the mouth. Now, roll the head forward and open the mouth at the same time. And of course, when the head rolls backward, close the mouth. Like this, do it many times. Look for your comfort, not any achievement. Leave it alone and rest on the back. Come back to the same position, as in the beginning. Stand on the knees. The head and the elbows are on the floor. Roll the head forward and backward a few times. Of course, let the elbows and the pelvis move along, freely. Is this a bit easier? Is this a bit more comfortable? Can the head stay on the floor a bit longer? Leave it alone and rest on the back.
Proceed to the next video.